I decided that I wanted my cardigan with sleeves, and so I went on to attach them. This is one of the sleeves. This is the other one. I did not attach the buttons because I want it open, but if you want buttons, you can always add them. This is my cardigan with the sleeves. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to attach the sleeves to the cardigan. So if you're interested in turning your sleeveless cardigan into a sleeved cardigan, then this video is for you. I've already done one of the sleeves, so I'm going to show you how to do the other one, and you can go on, do both of your sleeves because they are done the same exact way. So we're going to go to the sleeve area, the armhole, and we're going to determine the side where the single crochet stitches are visible and on the inside right here. So I'm going to attach the yarn. Start with a slip knot. We're going to attach on the armpit the stitch at this point, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and that will be our first double crochet. Into the next stitch we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch to make a V-stitch like that. So we have a double crochet followed by a V-stitch, yarn over, skip the next stitch and the next one, and to the one that follows do a double crochet. So we're skipping 2 and working a double crochet, then the stitch after the double crochet gets a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then we're going to move on to the next stitch after skipping 2, 1 and 2. The next one gets a double crochet, then the one right next to it gets a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, yarn over, skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the next one, then V-stitch, and go like work like this all around till you get back to this point where we've started. At the end, I have 1 stitch remaining. You could have 2 remaining, you could have 0 remaining, and that's totally fine. So whatever is remaining, you're going to go right into the chain 3 and slip stitch into it to complete row 1. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and turn, and that's the first double crochet on top of the previous double crochet, which was a chain 3. Then we're going to work into the V-stitch, place a V-stitch into it, double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet. Next we're going to work on top of the previous double crochet, this one over here, do a double crochet into it. The next we work into the V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then on the double crochet, next we work on the V-stitch, and we're going to continue with this pattern to the end of row 2. my last V-stitch will get a V-stitch. Then to complete row 2, we're going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and turn to begin row 3. And row 3 and all the other rows until we get to the length of the sleeve will be the same as row 2. So we begin in the V-stitch, we work a V-stitch into it. Then next we work the double crochet, then the V-stitch, then the double crochet, and I'll keep repeating the rows until I get to my sleeve length. Then I'll be back to show you what to do next. So keep going and see you once you're done with your 2 sleeves. I've done a total of 34 rows to get me to the full length of my sleeve. So I've done the slip stitch, I'll chain 1 and cut the yarn to complete the sleeve, and this is what I have. So my cardigan is no longer sleeveless, it has sleeves. You're going to attach the second sleeve the same exact way we've done with the first and then work them. At the end, you're just going to weave in the ends. Let me show you how I weave in this end. Get the darning needle. Make sure that you're working on the wrong side of your cardigan, and I just like go into these chain stitches. Just like I'm sewing, like chain for chain, until I'm satisfied that the end is well hidden. Then after that, I'll just cut off whatever remains. Like that. Cut that off. Then I'm going to weave in this end on the single crochet stitches that had worked on the armhole before the sleeves. Then cut off whatever remains. Then I'll go weaving all the other ends and I'm done. If you want to attach buttons, you can do that, but I feel like I want to leave my cardigan open like that. So it has sleeves now. Let me know what you think about the sleeve tutorial. Did you enjoy it? If you did, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next tutorial where we'll be making a layered skirt.